Sandeep, on Liquorgate, Ajay Markan criticized Arvind Kejriwal and then changed his line and became quiet.
Right.
Now you are back to calling him a cheat. What is the guarantee, Mr. Dixit, that 1 month from now you won't be looking at each other in the eye and saying, election's over, let's get back together?
Look, first of all, I don't think Mr. Markan or I or anybody changed our opinion as far as the liquor scam is concerned. In fact, the liquor scam came about because of the letter written by the Congress to the LG, who forwarded it to the various investigating agencies. And I, for one, have continuously gone to the LG and given him and made him request for making various inquiries on a large number of charges against the Arvind Kejriwal government. So the Delhi unit...
Do you feel he's guilty? Do you feel he's guilty in Liquorgate? Do you feel he's guilty in Liquorgate?
I do.
You do? Your party does?
Your party does?
Your party does?
Yes.
Your party feels he's guilty in Liquorgate?
My party has ever defended him on Liquorgate. But nobody from my party...
Mr. Dixit, can I open the lines with one or two callers? You see, my show has this format, and I believe it's empowering the audiences if they get to speak to newsmakers. Now, you know that your party and I have a rocky relationship. I don't know. But can I open lines and you'll take two callers to be direct interaction? All right? We'll take a direct interaction, 2 live calls tonight.
On the question of...
On the question of what you're talking about, Arvind Kejriwal.
Is it?
On the question of Delhi. On the question of what's going on in Delhi. And I have one more question to you tonight. One more question to you tonight. Because I don't believe in surprises. With your permission, may I ask the senior BJP leader Sudhanshu Trivedi, who's waiting to come on next, to spend 2 minutes with you on this debate. And then I shall let you go. Okay, with your permission. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Lines open and we'll get Sudhanshu Trivedi in. Sudhanshu Trivedi हमारे साथ इस वक्त live हैं. Sudhanshu Trivedi, senior BJP leader, one of its best known and respected spokespersons, is live tonight with Sandeep Dixit. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले Sudhanshu Trivedi जी, संदीप दीक्षित जी जो वरिष्ठ कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता हैं, शीला दीक्षित जी के सुपुत्र हैं, उन्होंने कहा कि अरविंद केजरीवाल फ्रॉड, चीट और 420 है. 420 शब्द का प्रयोग किया गया और वो कह रहे हैं ये तो हमारी पार्टी की पुरानी पोजीशन है. इस पर आपकी क्या राय है? व्हाट इज योर व्यू ऑन दिस?
देखिए, संदीप दीक्षित जी जो कह रहे हैं, दैट इज अ रियल ट्रूथ, very near to what he is saying. But as far as his party stand is concerned, I would like to remind, we remember that 10-11 years back, जब दिल्ली की ऑटो के पीछे शीला दीक्षित जी की फोटो के साथ लिखा रहता था, ईमानदार या बेईमान. ये जरा इको हो रहा है, इसको ठीक करवा दीजिएगा.
आप बोलिए, मैं ठीक कर रहा हूं.
And even after that, I would like to remind, in 2013, BJP became the single largest party with 32 seats. Aam Aadmi Party got 28 seats and Congress Party got the 8 seats. तब कांग्रेस पार्टी ने ही आम आदमी पार्टी की पालकी ढोकर सत्ता की दहलीज पार कराई थी. इसमें कोई इफ एंड बट नहीं है. द नेमेसिस ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी इज विद देम. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज वेरी क्लियर, वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग, it is nothing but a very clear-cut stand that in so-called India alliance, there was no any consistent policy to fight against BJP or fight against the tall stature of Shri Narendra Modi. It was just an exercise to prove that who is the main opposition party. And in Haryana, Congress has shown Aam Aadmi Party their true space. Now the same thing is happening with Congress in Delhi. But one more thing is very clear. मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूं, दिल्ली की जनता ने 6 महीने पहले दोनों को एक दूसरे के साथ देखा है.